Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Connect Info Systems. Today we are discussing about the functional part of fiscal position. Let's see how it works and how it can be configured. Here I already configured one fiscal position. Here you can see in accounting we have fiscal position menu. I already configured here. We have to specify the name whatever we want, and here suppose while creating cells, if any product have 50% cells, here we have to specify these taxes, and while creating purchase, what taxes product contain we have to specify here for sales or purchase, and here we have to set the taxes what we want to apply while creating sales or purchase. Let's see how it works. Suppose we have one product. This product contain 50% sales and 50% purchase taxes. Then this fiscal position need to apply while creating sales or purchase. Here if you want this fiscal position for this sell order, then we have to manually set it. Okay, here already apply fiscal position for this customer. If we create any sell or purchase while using this customer or vendor, this fiscal position is applied by default. Due to this, we can see this fiscal position is applied, and when we create sell order using this product, it will take 5% whatever we have configured for sales, and it also works for purchase also. While we select Deco Edit as vendor, it will take test fiscal automatic, and while we select this product, it will take 10% instead of 15%. Or we can also set fiscal position for manually creating any quotation or bill. We just need to select this fiscal and product who contains this taxes. We select 6741, it will take 5%. It will apply same for purchase also. And if you want to apply this fiscal using specific country wise, suppose we set United States, and it will apply automatically. And this customer is from Italy, and suppose we have any customer who is from USA. Suppose this customer is from USA, then when we create jewels, okay, it will apply automatic due to this configuration, and it works same as we discussed earlier. works for both, same as sell. It also works for purchase also. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.